Good morning dear students. In this tutorial I will tell you how to add illustrations in PowerPoint and how to add animations. Now to start with, I will take the example of your work people do PPT that you were making in your computer lab. Now to add pictures in your work people do PPT, you will go to Insert tab, but first of all you will have to save images in a folder. So to save the images about different occupations, you can go to www.clipartstation.com website, and once you see the website on the screen, go to search box and type the name of the occupation for which you need pictures. So here I was making a slide on teacher, so I will write teacher here to find out the clip art of teachers. So you can click on the clip art that you want, wait for it to come on the screen fully. Now if I want this picture for my slide on teachers, I will right click, I will go to save image as, then go to pictures folder in your computer. Everywhere in computers you will find there is a pictures folder to store pictures. Click on save button. Now once my picture is downloaded successfully into my computer, I will go back to my PowerPoint file by clicking on its icon on taskbar. I will go to Insert, go to Pictures, go to the Pictures folder where I have saved this picture, scroll down, select the picture and click Insert. Now once the picture is on the slide, you can resize it by dragging from corner always. Always drag it from the corner so that it is resized equally from top as well as from sideways. Now once your picture is there, your slide is now ready. So this is all about adding pictures to your slide in PowerPoint. In this way only you can add any shape. To add any shape, you will go to Insert button again, go to Shapes this time, select the shape you want to add, draw it on the slide. If you want to change the color of the shape, just double click, click on this option, choose the shape color you want. To write inside the shape, your cursor will be flashing automatically. But if you do not see this cursor, you can just right click on the shape and click Edit Text, the cursor will come. So that's all about adding pictures. Have a good day.